Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You need a supported plan and cellular data active. Once confirmed, open settings and go straight to personal hotspot. Tap the toggle to enable it, then set a strong Wi-Fi password so others can join securely. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is available on your connecting device. If not, use USB. Once done, note the hotspot name shown at the top. You'll use that to identify the iPhone from the other device. Once the hotspot is active, on your laptop or tablet search Wi-Fi networks and select your iPhone's network name. Enter the password you set, make sure capitalization matches. If Wi-Fi is flaky, connect via USB. Plug the iPhone into the computer and choose it as the network interface, or pair via Bluetooth in both devices' settings. These alternate methods often give more stable throughput and conserve battery compared to Wi-Fi alone. To finish, watch battery and data usage and disconnect devices when done. You can toggle personal hotspot off to save power. If a device won't join, restart both devices and retry. Make sure airplane mode is off and cellular data stays enabled. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone, which clears saved networks and often resolves stubborn pairing or address conflicts. One key tip: try USB tethering to rule out Wi-Fi interference when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.